Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so we're in a walkway overlooking the city, looking over a street. And we're gonna go over to this side as well. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down. And I'm gonna show you some of these side streets. So yeah, this is a little taste of the other side of Macau. And I'll label it accordingly. Yeah, there's I'll try to capture the street sign as well. Here we go. Ude Tome Pires. So this would be the cross section of this particular street. And we're gonna try to find another cross section as well. So we got Yahtzee furniture stores, electronic stores. I think we'll walk down this main street right here, and then you can get an idea of what some of these streets look like. This one is actually a little bit, I always feel like this one is a little bit not as interesting as other ones, but not in a, it's not that it's not interesting, it's just that there's more traffic on this one. I'm kind of on a main road instead of like in a little side street. But we'll just show you what's on a street like this, and I'll label it accordingly. So, okay. I'll probably end up taking one of these small huas, these small streets, because they can be more interesting. So this particular one is Dragon Scott Cantonese restaurant, and there's another Cantonese restaurant over there. And we got these tourist signs coming up right here too. Templo Vin Thai, Fire Station, Legre Cinema. So all those would be down this way. And you can usually see those things, and I'll just show it again. These in Macau are usually for tourists, so everything's in Portuguese, English, and Chinese. So fire station, a temple, cinema, masonry guild. And sometimes I've gone down those roads on other times, so I won't do it on this particular one. I just want to stay on this kind of main road for now. But I could go down any one of these, really. Alright. So it's gonna walk down some more, and we'll show you what's on it. There's some mechanic stuff. Actually, a lot of kind of building kind of stuff. This street's always felt more like working class oriented. And I guess it kind of reflects that. You got your sinks. It's a practical place to fix your house. Macau furniture. Right. You got little Year of the Pig things on there. I'll label this so you know what street it is. Yeah, this one is like a warehouse. With the bright sun now. Okay. Grocery store. Toilets. store. Sun is pretty bright, so it's not always as good taking pictures. But this street is kind of a main artery for cars. It's like 2 lanes plus a parking lane. It's a 4-lane road, and it kind of cuts along the edge of the island. I'll probably go inland in a little bit. It's more interesting, but kind of want to give you a sense of what some of these streets look like too, though. Ishiban, #1 sushi takeaway. Okay. So we're gonna stop right here, and in a minute we're gonna walk down this one for our next video. Okay, this video is Rua de João de Araújo, and I'm just gonna walk down this one, see what it looks like. And it's hard to see it from this particular angle, but I can see the this Boa Casino from here, which is kind of interesting already. You can sit right here at the table, we'll sit right here and order some of these foods. It's funny, I just had something like that in Shanghai. So, okay. And in a minute, I'm gonna go into the middle, and then you can see, let's see. There it is. Grand Lisboa, straight ahead. And take a look at these buildings. So they have arcades on them. It's pretty typical of Macau anyways. Oh, here's a dog. Cats. Let's see some kittens. And another cat. Okay. And actually what attracted me is these buildings straight ahead. And we're gonna walk to that in a minute. Actually, this looks pretty cool too. This house right there. That one right there. I've seen some of those sometimes as well. But we're gonna walk down this street because I'm really attracted to this red building and this brown building. This is kind of cool too. Okay. There's a little park right here too. It's great. Oops, thank you. Oh, this is like a little beautiful little plaza right here. So there's let's just see. Oh, okay, there's a temple right here. Just gonna take a look at this temple real quick. Oh, there's a few. It's beautiful. Okay. There's some more here too. Okay. Yeah, I didn't realize there's a temple right here. It's beautiful. You got some little altars too. Those altars are pretty ubiquitous. Pretty much everywhere around here. So that, okay. Karaoke. So yeah, this is the one I kind of want to see, that red building. And this one, because they're lit up pretty beautifully. It's looks kind of interesting. Okay. So it goes down a little alley. I'm gonna take this alley. It's kind of interesting. I've never been down this alley before. This is a incinerator. So we're gonna walk. And you can see all these buildings here. And let's just see. Travessa dos Cules. Huh. Little excursion. Cules is like the coolie trade. So this is like a little alcove where they must have put coolies a long time ago. Coolies are like could be Chinese that were going abroad. Or people that were coming through back in the old times of Macau, back when Portugal was the okay, here we go. Back when Portugal was the ruler of the slave trade. Okay, pretty cool street. Got some older people just hanging out there. See how we completely stumbled into this. And I'm probably on a completely different street, so I might just end it, start a new one on a different street. Okay. So yeah, this is so basically I just went down this street right here. We're gonna conclude for this one.
Chiquinha